Welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Partshop WooCommerce theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Partshop WooCommerce theme. You will get this zip file while purchasing. Click on Install Now. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins. And select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Now click Visit Site to view. Partshop from the Shop Builder plugin by Radius Theme is an ideal solution for auto purchase stores. This is fully customizable and WooCommerce compatible platform. With pre-built product pages, advanced search and filtering, and a mobile responsive design, it ensures a smooth shopping experience. This demo also features one-click import for easy setup and is optimized for fast performance. Thank you for watching.